In this video, we'll show you how to replace the hood lift support on your Ford Edge. This is located under the hood and right above the battery. Let's get started. You do want to use something to prop the hood up for this, that way it doesn't fall. One strut isn't enough to hold the hood up. Down at the bottom of the strut that we're going to remove, we have a metal tab here. I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver, pop it out. And we can pop that off. Up at the top, we have a similar tab here. Go ahead and use our flathead screwdriver. We can remove the strut. To install the lift support, we'll simply pop it on. And we can press it onto the ball at the bottom as well. Make sure to remove the hood support that you used, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.